Just in, Governor Eno don visit Akpabio after im defection to APC. Welcome country people to Synod Media. If you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button so you go get alert once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The governor of Akwa-Ibom State, Umo Eno, he don be the latest governor to defect from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress, APC. The governor, after in defection from the PDP, he come visit the Senate President Godswill Akpabio. Akpabio confirmed the visit for one post when he put for his Facebook page on Friday, June 6, 2025. The Senate President come write, "Now with utmost joy, I take receive our Governor, Pastor Umo Eno, PhD, im Deputy Akwa-Ibom, All Progressive Congress Governors, led by the chairman of the forum, Hope Uzodinma, and other stakeholders of our party, for my residence for Uyo, for Akwa-Ibom State, after the historic defection of my brother, Governor Eno, members of the State Executive Council, federal and state lawmakers, as well as council chairmen, into the Progressives family. Thank you, Mr. Governor, because you get the interests of your people for heart. Congratulations and welcome to the fold." The new entrant to the All Progressive Congress, so Governor Eno, he come talk, say he make the decision to move enter the ruling party after 3 months consultations with stakeholders for Akwa-Ibom State. The governor come thank the People's Democratic Party, PDP, when he help am win the election for 2023. He say, but the time to move don come. This move of Governor Eno, so, although e not take people by surprise, because all in body language and all im moves, e dey point say e go leave. It's just that nobody know when e go leave. Even some people, when e dey make comment, they say e even waste time. You not see the way Delta State Governor do e own. He say e own come a bit late, but then e don move. E don move. Many come dey thank am, dey congratulate am, say like him talk, him dey think for Akwa-Ibom, not himself. So make him work together with the ruling party for Central, make dem begin the Ibom Deep Sea Port project, so that make dem commission am before the 2027 election. Some others dey of the opinion, say make you not play o. Either you join the movie train or you go remain for the sinking ship without life jacket. But some others too, they believe say this defection not being go help. They say na the electorate na they decide who they win election. Somebody come dey say in the hope say reform go dey INEC before the election. Some others they say, well, nothing need new for wetin e don do. After all, politicians, all they think na about their interest. So all this, they think of the interest of Akwa-Ibom. Na say na story for the gods, na be that one. Meanwhile, 3 commissioners don dump Governor Eno cabinet The three commissioners, they resigned from the cabinet of the governor because of in defection to the All Progressive Congress. Una go recall say the governor don talk earlier say as im go decamp, anybody wey no go follow am, they go resign from their position. These three commissioners so, they believe say since the return of democracy to Nigeria for 1991, Akwa-Ibom state na PDP stronghold and na PDP don govern am. E say but 2 weeks ago, Eno dey tell the cabinet members when e no dey interested for a new journey to quit. As e dey address them for the State Executive Council meeting, e talk say no be news again say im dey move. So if you no know that by now, then e no know wetin else dem wan know. So e want all the commissioners and members of ESCOs, appointees. He say some of them dey say they no go follow am. He say they are free. He say they dey very free not to join am, but they no go dey in State Executive Council. So make them just prepare to resign the day he announce say im dey move, because they be appointee and their loyalty na to am. He say they no go fit dey in cabinet and they go come play anti-party. He say not be threat. He say it is what it is. He say I no go beg you to come, and make you no even expect say I go beg you. So when he defect on Friday, so the commissioners for special duties and Ibom Deep Seaport, Mr. Ini Ememubong, Works and Fire Service, Professor Eno Ibanga, and Finance, Mr. Bob, they contender their resignation. For one post for his Facebook page, the immediate commissioner for special duties and Ibom Deep Seaport, he said he resigned because of the governor directive. He said, today, I don't tender my resignation to the governor to comply with his directive that he appointees them when he dey unwilling to join them for the political journey to the APC, make them resign. He say why he no go fit question or fault the governor personal decision. He say he dey unable to join that journey. He say in decision, he dey born out of him belief say politics now with principles, and in long-standing opposition to that political platform, when daily, they validated by numerous Nigerians across many sectors. He said this indecision so, he said it not affect in personal relationship with the governor, who they call him brother, and who get great confidence in him when he saddle him with two very important ministries, information and special duties, and Ibom Deep Seaport. He say Ingo and continue to get big respect for His Excellency, Governor Umo Eno, even when he not dey in Mesco again. With this defection, the People's Democratic Party don lose another of their stronghold. Una know say Delta, Akwa-Ibom, Cross River, Rivers, and Bayelsa, these south states, na very strong hold for the People's Democratic Party. But one by one, they don dey jump ship, they enter the APC. Delta don comot, Edo na APC, Akwa-Ibom don join. They believe say Rivers go soon join, e dey very strong. And after Rivers, maybe Bayelsa. This one, they make people they believe, say they cry, say Nigerian go become one party state. It can they appear to be true, even when the government does say nothing wrong with the country to be one party state. He say it go even help for political re-engineering. My country people, I wanna see this new development. for Akwa-Ibom State.